We have to find the number of arrangements to make the numbers between 100 and 1000 from the number that is given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we are having only 3 boxes that we need to fill, because in 100 and 1000 all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So for the first box we are having only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In between 6 options we are having only 5 options, because if I will take the value as equal to 0, that number will turns out to be a 2-digit number, so we can't take the value as 0. So here we are having only 5 options, but on the second place we can take the value as 0. Then we are having 5 options, and at last we are having 4 options. So what we'll do, we will write the number of ways that is equal to 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 4, which is equal to 100 ways. So this is an important thing that we need to understand. We can't take the 0 at the first place, because if I'm taking 0 at the first place, which means we will make the number as equal to 2-digit number.